Beautifully updated townhome in West Boise located near the mall, shopping, restaurants, hospitals, and easy access to the freeway. New flooring, stainless steel appliances, lighting, fixtures, interior paint, and epoxy garage floor. HOA covers exterior maintenance and roof. Roof aprox 3 years. Open living space on main level that flows from a kitchen west/breakfast bar and lots of counter space into a great room west/fireplace. Master suite has own bathroom and walk-in closet. Fenced-in yard on common area.